What's up, guys? So today I'll be installing a supercharger on the Hemi. Just gonna have to close this right quick and go to the front side. I don't know how much horsepower I'm gonna start making to the wheel, but I don't think it'll be much. Supercharger, I got it on eBay. Let's connect it. Okay, probably be running with the Hellcat Demon Killer. So I'll let you guys know how much this new supercharger is going to start pushing. Alright, all jokes aside, guys. Clickbait as F. I'll be posting new videos more often. Make sure you guys subscribe. I will be building this car. I will be putting a lot of new things to it. Make the most unique RT in the on YouTube. And if you guys want to follow the process, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys posted on what's next on the RT.